How to view downloaded videos on YouTube in PC. For this, go ahead and open your YouTube and select a video that you want to download. You can either download by clicking on this three dot. If not, simply tap open the video, scroll down and tap on the three dot and tap on this download icon right here. So here's the thing, to get the download option in your PC, you actually have to have a YouTube Premium. If you already have a YouTube Premium, just go ahead and tap on the three line icon right here. Then, in this list of you will find downloaded videos right in between watch later and your clips. So you can simply go ahead and search for the download video right here. If you do not have a YouTube Premium, scroll down and tap on this YouTube Premium option and tap on try it for free. Select your YouTube plan and do not worry because it is free for 1 month, and then tap on confirm. Now go ahead and add your credit or debit card and make sure that you add your card details correctly, and then just go ahead and tap on buy. But do not worry, right now it will charge you nothing. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.